Are there ready Funko Grail? Inside the Mystery Grail box, it says we stand a chance to hit several Grails and Mega Grails. Is it worth giving it a try? Let's check it out. $15 US dollar per mystery box. You may stand a chance to win a Grail, Premium Grail and Mega Grail. It's a mystery box. You can bring home from a Mega Grail worth $500 to a common Funko Pop worth $7. It's all by chance. Today, we will unbox 4 boxes of Mystery Grail boxes, keeping our fingers crossed. Let's start with our first Mystery Grail box. The brand name Mystery Grail and website are printed clearly on the box. There is an additional layer in the box to protect the Funko Pop. It says, like what you got, share a pic on social media and use the hashtag Mystery Grail. Oh, there is a scratch and win card. You can win tokens, prizes or t-shirt. That's pretty cool. The instruction to claim the prize is on the back. It's Funko Jurassic Park 551, Dennis Nerdy, the PPG. Pop price guide is $19 US. Not bad. We paid $15 and we get a Funko Pop worth $19. Sweetened the deal with 2 candies. Let's move on to our second Mystery Grail box. Our second scratch and win card. We have gotten the Funko Venom 676, Mayhem April Parker, Glow in the Dark Funko Pop. The PPG is $22. It's a good deal, but it's still not a Grail. It's amazing. Not only the figurine glows in the dark, the Funko box on the printed Venom area also glows in the dark. Sweet treats. Unboxing our third Mystery Grail box. Is it a Grail? It's Funko Dragon Ball Vegeta Training. The PPG is $14. Well, it's better than $7 Funko Common Pop. We hope the last Mystery Grail box has a Funko Grail in it. Our last Mystery Grail box. We hope it's a Funko Grail. Fingers crossed. Oh my goodness. We got a Grail. It's Funko Star Wars 297 Boba Fett, a collaboration with Graffiti Icon. The PPG is $50. A vaulted Funko Pop. We hope the value will continue to increase. This is so fun. We still have 4 scratch and win cards to win more prizes. Second card, we won 500 tokens. Another 200 tokens. Last card, also 200 tokens. We won Funko Pop worth $19 and 200 tokens. Plus $22 worth of Funko Pop and 500 tokens. Plus $14 Funko Pop and 200 tokens. Finally, we won a surprising Grail that worth $50 and 200 tokens. In summary, we spent $60 for 4 boxes of Mystery Grail box. We won $105 worth of Funko Pop, and 1,100 tokens, which we can redeem more prizes like Funko t-shirt and Funko Pop. We think it's worth it. Till then, happy toy collecting.